today's fuel prices were $47. For both bikes. So that's 18.2 liters. What is it? 205.9. Getting something to eat because I'm tired. I'm riding straight for hours. Look, it does sit on the floor for 1 minute. And the spider moves in. See what it says. How's it going to? Oh, I think it just ended here. I think it's already will come out that was it. Another year. Is the lid open? Sausage roll. This one has carrot in it, which makes it healthy. We need salsa, but we don't have sauce. Oh, there's the onion. 40 milligrams of vitamin C, which contributes to reduction of tiredness and fatigue, and 116 milligrams of magnesium, which is essential for energy metabolism. To magnesium. Oh, there's the spider. And you'll see that's the spider. And it was making itself at home. Don't know what's going on. Okay. Oh, awesome. That's yeah, this is yum. We've had people ask why we got two S1000RRs, and to be perfectly honest, the plan wasn't to get two, it was to get one, and then it was actually to get a Yamaha MT10, because when I rode that in Perth many years ago, I fell in love and it was the most fun bike I've ever ridden, and it was the first time I was on a naked bike. So the point was to have like one sport bike and then one naked bike. But then someone said to me, well, who's going to ride the MT10? Because no one's going to not want to ride the BMW. So somehow that turned into two BMWs that we should be getting. Yeah, that's why we have two. But then you could also ask, well, why did you get two of the exact same models? And that's because the M Sport only comes in these specs, like with this color, so you can't opt for another color. I don't know if in the future we'd want to get the same bikes again, or if we'd want to go something different. My husband's pretty keen on wanting to get the same ones. I think he actually really likes taking the photos when there's two of the bikes together. They do look pretty striking when you've got two of the same ones riding on there. And then people are like, oh, you're a biker couple and you have the same bikes, that's so cute. But I like, it kind of is fun to have two different bikes, because then you can swap around. But even as I'm recording this voiceover, he's shaking his head no. But we'll see. There's a certain different type of bike I am also interested in that he is not, because he is slightly older, so his body can't handle too much of these sporty positionings anymore. So he needs to cater for those bodily limitations, whereas I'm still young and have the ability to ride any type of bike. He says more comfort, better riding, but I think if you're old, just say you're old. There's still ice cubes. Do you want to put the water in? You're okay. Everything is fine. I have to edit it. You can keep your hands there. It's fine. What did you... Alright, for him. I'm going to get bubble tea and then dinner later. People always ask how the bike is so clean, and I'm going to show you. It's not hard. I just literally clean it after every ride with Mr. Sheen. and a cloth. Ta-da! So you spray the Mr. Sheen all over. You probably can't tell. And there, see, all over, and then you get the cloth and you wipe. And you do the whole entire bike. And the secret to this, you just like don't think about how hot or tired it is, or how hungry you are, or sweaty and smelly, and maybe annoyed if there was like stupid cars on your way home that don't know how to drive. You ignore all of that and you clean your freaking bike. And then it will always look clean and shiny. Great times. Alright, see ya.